good grief. Keep it across the board, okay? God dang it. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kie RaShon. Today's video is brought to you by Ebonyline. They were kind of to send me another unit to review for you guys. As always, before we get into the specs of this unit and what I think about it straight out the pack, make sure if you're new to the channel, you go ahead and subscribe and smash that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also, give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go. Okay, so like I said, this unit came to us from Ebonyline. It is from Bobbi Boss. It is a part of their Truly Me collection. This is the unit MLF 425 Andrina. This is what her card looks like. I got her in the color 4, and she does retail for $33.95. This unit does come with 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back, and adjustable straps. Let me go ahead and tell you guys right now, okay, big head gang gang, this ain't it. My temples are pulsating right now based on how I have it on my head. Like, good grief. This joint is for my small head girls, okay? You got another one. Congratulations. This cap feels like how Bobbi Boss used to make their caps. But Bobbi Boss was coming back. They were trying to, you know, include the big head girls. Y'all went on and reverted back, I see. Huh? Yeah? Now, this is a premium high heat fiber, so she's heat safe up to about, it don't even say. I would say about, their normal range is about 350 to 400. I would stick around that 350 range just to be, you know, be safe. I didn't have to use a lot though. I used a little bit of my wax stick, and then I use my what you call it? What's her name? What's the name of the thing? Flat iron, hot comb. But yeah, I used that a little bit on the top and it flattened it right out. The texture of this unit, it feels like it definitely has like a yaki type of feel. You can even see a little bit of those crimps in that texture, but it also feels a little, I don't want to say scratchy. It doesn't feel super soft on my skin. Okay. I did get some shedding with this unit when I went in to brush it, so you can see some of the hair coming out of here, if you guys can see that. Tangling wise, I'm not getting anything. I did try something different with this color. Okay, you guys know I don't really go for number 4s. I'm happy with how this color looks on me. It looks very, very chocolatey. The main con that I have for this unit is this cap size. Oh, I lied. Dang, sorry. The hair in the back is a little thin. I don't recall Bobbi Boss Monica being thin like that on the top, and she is part of the Truly Me collection. Let's keep it across the board, okay? God dang it! Like, what you do for one, do for them all. If they come from the same collection, at least, like, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, that can be a little problematic for some people. But the hair texture will definitely, you know, hide that. You won't see any gaps. But this is what it looks like from the side. Like I said, I pushed this joint behind my ear and brought my little, you know, my little sideburns out, and then to the back. That's how she's looking. She comes down about mid back for me. The style on her looks really pretty. It didn't fall like that on me because obviously your face shape, your neck length, your height, shoulder width, all that kind of stuff, it matters. So be mindful of that. I know some of you guys be like, oh, I got this wig, but it looked different on me than it did on you. Understand, you're not me. So it's not going to look exactly how it looks on me on you, because we don't have the same height and, you know, build and face shape, neck length, things like that. The lace on this unit is also pretty dark, so if you are darker than my skin tone, then you can definitely, you'll be good to go, okay? It also says that it comes with a natural lace front. Like, you don't really get that much space in the front anyway to really call this like a lace front. I get why you call it a lace front, because there's lace in the front of this unit. I wouldn't show this hairline off because it's not really anything to show, to be honest. Like, it's nothing. No. But yeah, so this is how this looks. I think it gives me a really cute look. I feel real pretty in this joint. I really do. I would just have to get this cap together. I'm gonna have to cut some slits in it or something to let this joint loose, because it's, ooh, it's snug on my head. Temples are pulsating. So shout out one more time to Ebonyline for sending me this unit. I really appreciate it. I will put the direct link for my unit down below so you guys can check it out if you want to. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.